How to use GIFs on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see I am already on my profile on my TikTok app. So if you want to upload a video and add a GIF to it, you just have to click on the plus icon from the bottom of the page. So from here you can either record a video or you can just go to upload and choose a video from there. So I will go to upload. Select the video by clicking on it and then click next. So once you are here, you have to click next again. And after that, once you are here, you just have to go to stickers from the bottom of the page. So here you have all the GIFs that you may add. So you can add some GIFs about celebrities, like these ones, or I will just add the puzzle so it can be related to my video. Click on the GIF and now you can make it bigger or smaller and you can place it wherever you want. And after that you just have to hit next and then describe your video and hit on post. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts if you have some. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.